Hey guys, we're going to do a quick review of decimals now. Alright, so this is the graphic organizer. I didn't really leave it blank because I wanted to make sure you saw all the steps. But during this, I'll do a couple extra examples. I also included place values. And it's really important that you understand that decimals, fractions, and percents are the same numbers. It's just three different ways to express the same number. So like 1/4 is the same as 0.25, 0.5 is the same as 1/2. And different types of numbers lend themselves to different things. For example, like if you said I'm going to a 50% off sale, or I'm going to a 1/2 sale, people understand that more than if you said I'm going to go to a 0.5 sale. Like, even though the decimal and the fraction and percents are all the same number, they just lend themselves to different situations. All right, so adding. All right, when we add, you need to make sure that you line up that decimal point. 2, 6. Okay, and if there's a spot at the end that doesn't have it, you put a 0 placeholder. And then you just add down. 7, 5 plus 6 is 11, 3 plus 2 is 5 plus 1 is 6, 1 plus 1 is 2. Hang on one second. Sorry guys, I had to cough and I didn't want to hack in the recording. Okay, so we get 2.619. Remember, when you add or subtract decimals, line up the decimal. And then we need to fill in any zeros for placeholders. Let's do subtraction. Trish has 5 milligrams of zinc and 0.15 milligrams of silver. How much more zinc does she have in silver? All right, so we're going to do 5. Remember, 5 is the same as 5.0 minus, okay, and this is 0, and then line up the decimal point, 1, 5. The big number always goes on top, and so we need another placeholder here. Change colors real quick. All right, we can't do 0 minus 5, so make that a 10. We're taking 1 away from him, so he's now a 9. 10 minus 5 is 5. 9 minus 1 is 8. Okay, and took 1 from him. So 4.85. And then I am huge on units, so you need to write milligrams. All right, so 4.85 milligrams of zinc than silver. Multiplication. You do not need to worry about lining it up. 2.75 and then 3. It just happens that they lined up here. All right, we're doing multiplication. So 5 times 3, 15, carrier 1. 7 times 3 is 21 plus 2, 22. 3 plus 2 is 6, plus 2 is 8. All right, and then we're not going to multiply these two zeros. Here's what you need to be careful, like the trick in multiplication. We have one, where'd you go? There we go. 1 number, 2 numbers, 3 numbers, 4 numbers to the right of the decimal point. So now we need 4 numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4 numbers to the right of the decimal point. I'm going to triple check that. Great. Okay, so that's our answer, 0.0825. Okay, so with multiplication, count how many numbers on right decimal and make your final answer have that. Right, so there was 1, 2, 3, 4. So then we need 1, 2, 3, 4. Multiplication, division. So 30. This one's hard to see, but okay. 0.8 divided by 2. So 2 goes in a 3 one time. 2, 1, 2 goes in a 6. Yeah. So then that's 0. Now your 8 goes in 4 times. All right, when you divide, this is where our decimal point is. So you just bring up that decimal point right there. So it's 16.4. Hard to read, but it's there. 16.4. All right. Oh, there we go. There's decimals. All right, see y'all later.